everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make these wire wrapped hoop earrings. They are available in copper and silver, and I have the kit in my store with multiple Czech glass colors, matching stones available, and you can choose either silver or copper. So we'll be wire wrapping around the hoop with seed beads, 3mm stones, a Czech glass bead, and another stone bead and ear wires. Here we go. First, you want to cut about 2 feet of artistic wire, and I'm using 26 gauge. And again, this is included with your kit. And you want to grab one of your metal hoops, and we're going to wire wrap around the hoop 4 times to get the wire established nice and firmly. Next, you want to pick up an 11/0 silver seed bead, the 3mm or 4mm pink tourmaline stone, and another 11/0 seed bead on your wire. And you want to slide it down the wire towards your hoop. And you're going to go ahead and lay it over the top and in the center of the hoop. And this is a thicker hoop, so as you're wire wrapping around it, you may have to maneuver your wire and kind of pinch it down into place, and then it'll hold on the top of the hoop. And then take your wire and wire wrap back around the hoop again 3 times. And one more round. Here we go. And then we're going to pick up another seed bead, and it will be kind of at an angle, that's fine. Or you can kind of pinch it to maneuver it so it's a little bit more centered on your hoop. But here's our first one, and now we're going to pick up another seed bead. So I have another grouping, and again, I'm just going to wire wrap it around the hoop and go around the hoop with my wire 3 times. And you want to continue this pattern all the way around the hoop until you have 14 stone sections. That'll get you around the hoop, and it'll leave you a small gap at the top in the middle, which we'll attach the rest of the earring to. So I'm going to finish wire wrapping around this hoop, and I'll be right back. So I finished my hoop, and I have a small space here to add the connector bead and the ear wire. The next step is to grab your ball head pin, add your flower bead, your floral spacer bead, your bead cap, and your stone. This one is a 6mm rose quartz stone. And next I'm going to wire wrap a loop over the top. And cut off excess wire. And pinch close. And using the 5mm jump ring, we're going to attach the wire wrapped pendant here in the center around the hoop. And then take our 3mm jump ring and go through the 5mm jump ring and add your ear wire and close jump ring, and then you've completed one earring. And here you go. Now I'm going to make the second one, and we have a pair finished. And you've made a pair of hoop earrings. Thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, and you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and thanks so much for watching. Have fun creating.